Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind: inflation. With rising prices and economic uncertainties, it's essential to build financial resilience and prepare ourselves for the impact of inflation. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand what inflation is. Inflation refers to the increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. When inflation occurs, the purchasing power of our money decreases. That means our dollars won't stretch as far as they used to. So, how can we prepare ourselves and build financial resilience in the face of inflation? Here are some strategies to consider. Strategy number one: save and invest wisely. Inflation erodes the value of our savings over time. To combat this, it's crucial to invest our money in assets that have potential to outpace inflation, such as stocks, real estate, and commodities. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk and stay ahead of rising prices. Strategy number two: control your expenses. When prices rise, it's essential to be mindful of our spending habits. Analyze your budget, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize your needs over wants. By being conscious of our spending, we can better manage the impact of inflation on our personal finances. Strategy number three: focus on income growth. Inflation can eat away at our purchasing power, but increasing our income can help counteract its effects. Consider ways to boost your earning potential, whether through career advancement, starting a side business, or investing in your skills. By increasing your income, you will have more resources to combat rising prices. Strategy number four: build an emergency fund. In uncertain times, having a robust emergency fund becomes even more critical. Set aside a portion of your income regularly and aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. An emergency fund acts as a buffer during financial downturns and protects you from the immediate impact of inflation. Lastly, strategy number five: stay informed and adapt. The economic landscape is ever changing, and staying informed is crucial. So keep an eye on news and economic indicators to anticipate trends and make informed decisions. Adjust your financial strategy as needed to ensure you are adequately prepared for inflation and other economic shifts. Remember, building financial resilience takes time and effort. By implementing these strategies and staying proactive, you will be better equipped to weather the impact of inflation and navigate uncertain times with confidence.